In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Surveymonkey subscription so you can manage your account effectively and prevent unwanted charges. Whether you've found an alternative tool or simply don't need their premium features anymore, understanding how to cancel is a crucial skill. Let's walk through the process step by step, focusing on clarity and providing some helpful explanations along the way. First, you'll want to log into your Surveymonkey account. This is a straightforward step, but it's essential. Make sure you have your login details handy before you begin, which will make the process smoother and save you some time. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, navigate to My Account. Now that you're in your account settings, there's a section you need to focus on called Billing Details. Upon clicking this, you're taken to a page where you can manage your subscription settings. This is where you can see all your billing information, including your billing cycle and payment methods. It's a good spot to review any details if you're uncertain about when your subscription renews. Next, specifically locate the section that says Auto Renew or Subscription. This might be worded slightly differently depending on your account, but it's typically labeled in a way that you'll recognize immediately. Here, you should see an option to Cancel Subscription or Cancel Auto Renew. By choosing this option, you effectively stop your subscription from renewing automatically. This is an important step if you're hoping to avoid future billing. You'll then follow a series of prompts to confirm your cancellation. Usually this means checking a box or selecting a button that says something like, "Yes, cancel my subscription." It's designed to ensure you're making the cancellation intentionally, so take a moment here to double-check your decision before you finalize. It's normal to wonder what happens next after canceling. Your subscription won't immediately revert to the free plan, but it will downgrade once the current billing period ends. This means you have continued access to any paid features up until the conclusion of the current payment cycle. Essentially, although you've canceled the renewal, you're still getting what you've paid for until the next renewal date. This way, you won't be charged again, but you do get to take advantage of the features for the remaining time. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Surveymonkey subscription and avoid unnecessary charges. Remember, staying informed about your billing and subscription status is key to managing your online tools efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.